I was able to bring in some of the best people on this project and the best teammates I could possibly think of. One of the people I wanted to introduce to you is Luis Jimenez. Luis Jimenez is the owner of LJ Drywall Paint Incorporated. And he's done a fantastic job on this project. He worked on the cabinets, he brought in the right people, and Luis is a carpenter by trade. So Luis, it was incredible. Some of the things that we needed to get done couldn't be done and ordered. They had to be fabricated. And so to have things fabricated, if you've ever had a project at all, it tends to take a lot of time and it can be very painful. Luis was great about just figuring out what we needed to do and then getting it done. So I really appreciate all the work Luis did. Luis, how long have you been in the carpentry and overall business of fixing things?
Well, I'm gonna say over 30 years.
Okay.
I was started when I was a teenager. Honestly, with my dad, and after we, start my own business, I got experience already. But and I got 20 years plus on the drywall and paint, but I got over 30 years in carpentry. So that's why to get all this stuff together is not like a big deal for us, but a big deal for the job that we've done.
Absolutely. Luis did a fantastic job overall, and everything that you see was touched by some way by Luis and his team. And it's just fantastic, and I was very blessed to work with Luis on this one.